Hey everyone, I hope you are fine. Before going to today's topic, I request please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you. In full stack developer course, this is part 7 and we covered HTML, CSS and the basic bootstrap. In last class, we covered how to set up bootstrap, CSS and JS files in website. I also introduce you to the new extension HTML boilerplate. So, in today's class, I will continue the bootstrap and we will design a responsive website with navbar, menu, slider, cards and footer. So, let's start. This is the structure we covered in last class. Before I start, I will double check that I have Bootstrap 4 libraries in my page header and footer. This CSS file should be in a header. You can copy and paste in header, and these three files should be in the footer. Copy and paste in footer like I did. See? Now, first we will copy the images of the website in images folder. So, my logo is already in the images. Inside images, I created slider folder. This folder contains slider images. I also have cards folder inside images folder. Which contains images I will use in card. So the first thing I will bring a logo in the header div. I will create new div and I will bring my logo here by using HTML img space src equal to images folder which is img and logo name. And here we can see our logo. We can set a class for our logo in a custom CSS file. We will create custom CSS file inside CSS folder mycustom.css. We will create our logo class .logo bracket open close. I will set size height to 45 px. We will apply in logo div. We will apply in logo div, but before we will check the link of our custom CSS file. So it should be here after bootstrap CSS. So we can overwrite any bootstrap style. So it should be here after bootstrap CSS. So we can overwrite any bootstrap style. So it's link space rel means relations style sheet space href and path of our CSS file. Now we will check. It didn't work because we didn't target img in our CSS. We will just add img after our CSS class in my custom.css. See, it worked now. Now I will bring Bootstrap navbar menu. I will search Bootstrap navbar. I can go to this link. Here you can see. We will copy this code as it is. And we will paste in menu. And now see, the navbar has been implemented and it is responsive. Now we will search for the Bootstrap slider. So search Bootstrap for carousel slider. We will copy this, the caption one. We will paste in slider. We will insert images here. img / slider / s1.jpg. S1 is slider image's name. Now I copy this and paste in second and third also. And change to S2 and S3. These are our images name with path. Now check. I will remove the background color from the slider and also the padding. So I will just remove BG primary and P3 from here, which we implemented in last class. Now see, it's look good now. We will also remove the background of navbar same way. See, we will apply darker class of navbar. You can check in examples. See, we will copy this. We will replace with the navbar div light classes. We will copy only navbar dark space BG dark. Now see how beautiful it looks now, and also responsive. I mean, it works on small devices this way. I will also remove the BG colors of cards. Now I will add captions to the slider from example. Here is the example given by Bootstrap team. I will add this after the slider image inside item and change to first slider in the heading and paragraph. I will write, this is a slider image. You can write anything related to your slider image. Now I will copy same to other two. Now we will check if it is coming. Yeah, it's works. We will change the background color of the text because it is not visible. We will give it black color. I will copy carousel dash caption class of the Bootstrap. So we will go to my custom.css. We will paste that class and change background color to black color. Now see, it's coming, but I will make it little creative. This time flat color will be replaced with RGBA. It means red, green, blue values and A is alpha, which is transparency. You can set to 0.1 to 0.9. 0.1 the most transparent, 0.9 the least transparent. In RGB values, 0 is black to 555 is white. So I will put black transparent color 0, 0, 0 and 0.5. See, my favorite effect for div color. So we covered a lot of things related to Bootstrap in this class. In next class we will cover how to implement Bootstrap cards and footer, and we will change the navbar menu items, and we will improve the style. I hope you like it. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.